So here we go then, this is the first of a series of 800 metres to start with the junior girls, and the first 100 metres will be run in lanes. And then we'll see them break where we can see the white flag fluttering there in the breeze, and the official will give us indication while waiting to the white or the red flag. Well, there's no problem there, the white flag is being raised, so down the back straight we go.
Presentation of the little girls 100 metres. In third place, Alicia Samuel. Second place, from Ashton Friday, Molly.
So Amy Carroll in the lead at the bell. Drops are remaining at the last 100 metre time, and Daisy Thompson, I think it is, in second place for at the belly. So those two now beginning to break away as they go down the back straight into the last 300 metres or so.
And our winner for the 100 metres at a time of 50 is in question from Radder.
So back to the 800 metres then, from one Cardiff in the Vale Athlete to another, this time Amy Callow still holding on to that lead with less than, just under 2 metres left to go. Daisy Thompson still there for David. It could be a burn up between these two as they come round past the high jump bed. So Amy Callow then, she's just holding on as they come towards the line, about 25 metres to go from Daisy Thompson, but Callow it is, she's driving towards the line, and the young Cardiff Vale athlete will get the verdict there, 2 minutes 18.65. So a good run between Daisy Thompson and Amy Callow, with Amy Callow just holding on to take the gold medal.
If we could have Ellen Collins to presentation, please. Megan Hodgson, Kyrian Evans, and Ellen Hall. Take the presentation now, please.